The appealing thing about chairs is they always have a story. Some of them are 100 years old, and being able to work with those chairs makes my life a lot better. In the age of 25, I discovered that I have this eye disease. Now, 30 years later, I have about 5-degree vision, and it will decrease into nothing left. Super important that I feel the material and feel that I'm doing the right thing. It's all in your hands, and you can feel it before you can see it. For me, restoring chairs is like giving a second life to something. It's really a wonderful feeling to make something that really makes a difference for other people.